Yes, children, we are given in exercise 8.1 question 6 that ABCD is a parallelogram. This figure ABCD is a parallelogram, right? The moment we are given parallelogram, we must be clear that opposite sides are equal as well as parallel,
Parallel.
right? Yes. We are also given that in this parallelogram ABCD, this AC bisects angle A. AC bisects angle A. So now when AC is bisecting angle A, does it mean, children, that angle 1 is equal to angle 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It means angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So I'm writing in which AC bisects angle A, that is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is the conclusion, right? Let me mark this equation as 1. Are you with me, children, till here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Next, we need to show that AC bisects angle C also. This AC is bisecting angle C also. Bisecting angle C means we would need to show that angle 3 is equal to angle
4.
4.
4.
Clear? Are you clear what is given and what is to be proved?
Yes, Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now just see. We are given ABCD as a parallelogram, children. Does it mean that this AD is parallel to this BC?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Parallel? Now when these are parallel, consider this triangle, this shape.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the conclusion when two
All
lines are
angles are equal.
yes?
Angle 1 is equal to
So
angle
what do we get? What do we get, children?
Ma'am, 1
Which
is
angle?
equal to 4. And ma'am, 3 is equal to 2.
Angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
These are, yes, I have marked in red. Similarly, this DC is parallel to this AB.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So there is one more Z which is being formed.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the shape of that Z. I'm marking in different colors so that you know.
Yes, ma'am.
So which two angles are going to be equal here?
Angle 3 and angle 2.
Angle 3 and angle 2. So we get angle 3 is also equal to angle 2, children. Or
Yes,
I can
ma'am.
say 2 is equal to angle 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Now from 1, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because we are given this.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
here we are showing that 1 is equal to
4.
and 2 is equal to
3.
what are we getting ultimately?
Ma'am, angle 4 is equal to angle
Angle
3.
4 is equal to 3.
Angle 4 is equal to angle 3. Are you with me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And the moment we say that 3 is equal to 4, are we done that AC bisects angle C?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to all children? Any doubt,
Yes,
any
ma'am.
fear? I
No,
have
ma'am.
simply used the property of the parallelogram that its opposite sides are parallel. I have marked in different color. You may also mark in different colors in your register and make separately to be clear of the things, right? So when alternate angles are equal, using this property that AC is bisecting angle A, we are getting 3 is equal to 4, which ultimately helps us to prove that AC bisects angle C. All right, bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just write it down. Before that, now the next part is we need to show that ABCD is a rhombus. If you refer to your flow chart, a parallelogram becomes rhombus when we prove what? What is the property we need to prove? One property.
Adjacent sides are equal.
Ma'am, vertex
Adjacent
and
sides are equal. Adjacent sides equal. So the moment we show that adjacent sides are equal, the parallelogram becomes rhombus.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now for this, refer to any one of these triangles. There are two triangles being formed. take care of anyone. Let me just take care of ADC. ABC. All right. Now in triangle ADC, if we look carefully, we have beta angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is given to us.
Yes, ma'am.
And by alternate angles, we prove that angle 2 is actually equal to.
Angle 3.
Angle 3.
So now this angle 1 is equal to this angle 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And in a triangle, when two angles are equal, what is the conclusion?
Opposite sides are equal.
Very good. So angle 3 and angle 1 are equal. Sorry, at the side opposite to angle 3, AD, and side opposite to angle 1, DC, equal.
Equal.
Are we now getting that adjacent sides are also equal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sides are equal, what happens?
Ma'am, ABCD is a rhombus.
Parallelogram becomes?
Rhombus.
Are we done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
So let us just write it down
Yes, ma'am.
carefully. I would request you all to draw the figure carefully and mark the angles carefully. My 1 and 2 should match with your 1 and 2. Okay? Please note down.
Can you please explain, ma'am, how you prove it a rhombus?
Yeah, sure. Beta, what I am saying is in triangle ADC, we have angle 1 and angle 3. Now, angle 1
Yes,
is
ma'am.
equal to angle 2 we are given. Angle 2 is equal to 3 by alternate angles. G?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Getting angle 1 equal to angle 3. Now, when angle 1 equal to angle 3, the opposite sides of the triangle will also be equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Keeping that this AD is equal to DC.
Yes, ma'am.
AD. So,
Yes, ma'am.
and these are the adjacent sides of parallelogram. When adjacent sides of parallelogram are equal, it becomes.
Rhombus.
Rhombus.
Yeah, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us just write it down. As ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore AD is parallel to BC, which gives me angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Alternate angles. Okay. Similarly, DC is parallel to AB, which means angle 2, sorry, I made a mistake. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Let me number these equations as 2 and this as 3. Now from 1, 2 and 3, we get, what do we get? 4 is equal to 3 because 1 and 2 are already equal. So we get angle 3 is equal to 4. And the moment we say angle 3 is equal to angle 4, this gives me AC bisects angle C. So my part 1 is true. My part 1 is true. Next, we need to show that this is a rhombus. Next, to show ABCD is a rhombus, we need to show adjacent sides of parallelogram ABCD are equal. Okay. So here we go. that 1 is equal to 4 from 2. And no, sorry, we will say that 1 and 2 are equal, 2 and 3 are equal. So this gives me 1 and 3 are equal to. Okay? So from 1 and 3. From 1 and 3, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So thus, we need to mention triangle beta. In triangle ABC, AD is equal to DC. Reason? Sides opposite to equal angles. Side opposite to equal angles are equal. So what does it become now? What does it become? What does rhombus become with equal adjacent side? Can anyone tell? Rhombus.
Ma'am, you also have to prove ma'am AB is equal to ma'am BC.
No, beta, see, being parallelogram, opposite sides are already equal. Suppose this is x, this is also x, this is y, this is also y. Opposite sides of parallelogram equal. So the moment we show x equal to y, ultimately all four will become what?
Yes, ma'am.
Equal. So we just need to show that adjacent sides equal.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm short of space now. Hence, you can write in next line, I'm short of space here.